It's
All
safe.
right, we're good now.
Okay.
So I would say the QQ plot.
Yeah,
That's
same.
what I would say. All right, I'll read the next one. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. Same.
Second one.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we going? Is it Devin? Is it your turn?
Oh yeah,
or is it my
sorry,
turn?
I forgot. So an ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
That,
I think it's 6.
6, yeah.
yeah.
That was writing it down. Fair way to figure it out.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. On this one, I just used the information in the text that had the examples of the soccer shoes.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
But if you want to, just because I was nervous about messing with my Excel spreadsheet too many times.
Oh, yeah, true.
So I just used what it said about the soccer shoes, and I put 5.216.
5 seconds.
So it's minimum or smallest variance.
Yeah, sorry, I'm putting it into the Excel sheet right now.
Okay.
Hold on.
Actually, I don't think that's right.
There are 5
I
types
might
of
have done deviation instead of variance.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, sorry. I'm still putting this in there.
Yeah, sorry.
No, it's a lot. It's a long list.
Yes. Wait, is
I
the
think it's
socks?
27.207.
Does socks have a category too? I would assume so.
Yeah, so we should have 6 groups, 5 shoes and
Oh. Well, it was just weird because. Yeah, never mind. Wait, what's the answer we're looking for again? The minimum variance.
I was very
Yeah,
Wait, what'd you get?
27.208.
Yeah, that's what I got. Okay.
in the
And then
text
the
it said
max?
207, but I wonder how.
Oh,
Next.
Yeah. Do you have that open?
Yeah.
For lesson 14? It's nearly all the way to the bottom in step 4. And then number where was I? Number 5. Verified have been met.
Oh, well, I think it's still important for us to know how to use the Excel document because reasons. So we know how to do it. Okay, so for number 9, the largest is 53.158.
I do too. I just,
I'm sorry, you cut out a little bit.
What did you say, Angie?
and I was using the text 53.159.
Yeah, 53.158.
158.
In the text, I was using the number 53.159. So it
In
should off again.
Yeah, the spreadsheet says 8, 53.158, but I'm sure
53.159.
8.
No, it's 158.
In the spreadsheet, I don't know if that's matters too much. I'm sure it doesn't matter too much, but
They probably accept both answers,
yeah, I figured they would too.
but
All right, number 10, who is that? The test for equal variances is satisfied for these data.
does it say
True?
it in,
Huh?
does it say it anywhere like in the Excel sheet whether or not it's true or false?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I just want to.
I just saw that there's
I was just going by the spreadsheet in the text.
So yeah, it's true because it's less than 4 times that.
I'll send it and see if there's, because I'm curious.
Okay, construct a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples.
each of the samples are approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plot.
Okay, I'm gonna show you my
Okay.
screen because I don't know if I did it right.
Okay.
Hold on. How do I screen share?
Because if the smallest one is not the largest, 4 times the number of the smallest one.
Yes, so that one's true. Okay, so if you look at my screen, is this what you guys got when you did this QQ plot, or
We can't see it.
you can't see it?
No, it's like black.
That's true.
That's strange.
Hmm.
I don't know why it's doing that. Can you see it now?
Nope.
That's weird. Oh well, whatever. So to make the QQ plot, you highlight the whole thing and then insert scatter plot, right?
I can look and see if mine comes out that same way.
Because I don't remember how you do that in Excel.
I don't know how to do it in here either. I just didn't do it,
Oh,
but yeah.
I'm just looking up how to do a QQ plot in Excel. Oh wait, it's in the other Excel
The linear
document.
one? The linear regression, right? There's a QQ plot
There's
there.
a quantitative descriptive
Oh,
Excel
that
document
one.
too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. True.
I
I
think
forgot
that's a
about that.
QQ. Yeah.
There is. Yeah.
So would you just do you insert the variances in it? Like what numbers are you
Yeah.
supposed to put in the document?
I think the
Okay.
variances.
All right. Are you guys there? Hey guys, sorry, I think my
Yeah. Did you get,
I ran out of battery and I don't think you could hear me, so I switched devices. I'm just getting back on.
okay, perfect. So what was the last thing you heard?
We were working on the QQ plot.
Oh, that's where we are. I think we
Okay.
figured out it was true, right? It looks like it's normal distributed.
Yeah.
We opened up the descriptive one.
Each one in, but you have to go into that other, the
Mhm.
inference spreadsheet and put in each set of data separately. And I haven't done that, but I'm assuming it's true.
Sweet. I think that's good. Yeah. You go with that, Kaylee?
okay, how do you know if it's sorry, what?
Oh,
Are you guys still on number
Yeah.
11?
yeah, we
It's
haven't.
normal.
Yeah, that's what we figured. Yeah, it looks normal. You went to the quantitative descriptive one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And then you just put the numbers, the variances in there and sorted them lowest highest, right?
Yeah, unless I don't know it and I'm
Okay.
not doing it correctly.
Well,
But I
because that's
think-
also what I did.
Okay,
I just don't know how to tell looking at it whether or not it's normally distributed.
we like more like on a straight line going up. There's not going to be a lot of scatteredness.
Yeah. Because because this is a little scattered, but not really. So it's like,
Yeah, so if it's just a little bit off, then that's okay. But if it's like really off, then it's like, goes like this and then completely curves away, then that would be not normally distributed.
okay, so this is normally distributed.
Yeah.
So the answer to 11 is true.
Yep.
Did we lose you, Devin?
Can you not hear me?
I can now.
Oh,
Yeah, I can hear her still. Okay,
no, I'm
number
here.
12. Perform an ANOVA test in SPSS and observe that the p-value is 0.081, then remove the SOX data and perform the test again. What is the p-value and remove the SOX data?
I got 0.309.
Do you have that SPSS? I thought that was
It's
an
just the
option.
Excel
Yeah, I
sheet.
didn't. Wait, you got, what did you get?
0.309.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Cool.
I didn't even use SPSS. I just used the.
Oh, I just
So-
used Excel, the same thing we've been working on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the test statistically at ANOVA.
Okay, the test
Hypothesis test.
statistic for the hypothesis test is an S statistic. If the p-value in the area to the right is the p-value in the area to the right or the left of the F statistic.
To the right.
Right.
Yeah, so it's to the left if it's negative, right?
Right.
Okay.
That's what I think, yeah. Because yeah,
Okay.
negative, yeah.
But in these, it said you couldn't have any negative F statistics. So like on a T statistic.
Well,
See?
but what if the p-value was negative, right?
Okay.
I think that's what I was understood, but maybe I'm.
I don't know. I just read that the F statistic could never be negative.
Oh yeah, it says the values of the F are never negative. The p-value for an ANOVA test is in the right tail. We will never divide the area in the tail. Wait, so when would it ever be to the left?
Hold on. Is it?
Did you extract this?
Yeah. It says the p-value of the ANOVA test is always to the area statistic. So it's always to the right.
Oh, maybe I
So
misunderstood.
this is a trick question.
Yeah. Oh, cool. I thought negative and positive, but
Yeah. Right. Who wants to read this in the long one?
I can read it. It's fine.
Okay.
Researchers at Consumer Reports analyzed 3 types of hot dogs, namely beef, poultry, and meat. Mostly pork and beef, but up to 15% poultry meat. For each of the 54 hot dogs analyzed, they record the type, the calories, and the sodium level. Their data is available in this file. Use the file to answer the remaining questions. So let's examine the calories first. Construct QQ plots of the calories for each of the 3 types of hot dogs and compare the variances to determine if the assumption to use ANOVA has been met. Great.
And we're observing calories. Yes, okay. Okay.
Does your beef one look like it's completely off the lines?
Like there's like 3 more beef than there is the other 2. Okay.
Like mine are just scattered and not even close to the line, really?
Oh, that's weird. I think if it's generally going like on the line, then it's okay. That's what you're asking.
I've just never seen one like
That crazy?
this one. Yeah. I'm just asking, is that what yours look like? Or did I put something?
Oh,
in the
sorry,
wrong
I'm
spot?
slow. It took me a bit to open the Excel sheet. I'll let you know when I get it. The beef, right?
Yeah, that's the only one I've done so far.
Mine only plotted 1 value on it.
Oh yeah, mine are like cuckoo.
Wait, it just
Yeah, Angie, mine are all over the
Okay.
place. That was weird.
Okay,
but you
nothing on the
guys only
line.
have 3 plotted, right?
I just did beef.
Took the values of beef and pasted them in the.
Yeah, so you have to do them one at a time.
Oh.
Hold on a second.
Mine looks normal. Did you sort them lowest to highest?
Ah, that was it. No, I did not.
Okay.
I'm like, mine looks like chicken pox. So
Okay.
Remind me, where do we sort?
can highlight them and then right
If you
click.
highlight them, yeah.
Sorry, you go.
You,
Sorry,
okay,
I
if you
cut out.
and right click, there's a sort button.
Okay.
Hold your mouse over that will let you select the smallest, largest, smallest, or whatever.
There we go. That is definitely a little more of a line.
Okay.
So they're looking all normal, actually.
So the only one that the answer would be is the first one, because the rest of them are saying that it has not been met.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Cool. Okay, I'll read 15. Run an ANOVA test to determine if the meat number of calories is the same for all 3 types of hot dogs. You should find that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51. Yeah, you can read this part. What conclusion can we draw? Okay, so that's what I already did.
I would say the last one.
Yeah, there's not one of that. Yeah, the last one. Maybe that's what I think.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good.
So that answers maybe my question, Devin, that I asked you, because I didn't know that you could have a p-value of 0.000. So every time I get that on a quiz, I would put 001, thinking at least had to be something. And then I would get it wrong.
Well, I don't think it's like absolute 0. It's like 0.000005, something like that, and like it just keeps going. So it's like
Right.
Yeah, I
But when we had
number.
Yeah, I remember what you're saying. The last quiz, it did have a 0.0001 though. Maybe you just missed a 0?
I don't know.
I know.
I got something that was on one of them, and I thought it was a past one, and it had like a stream of like 6 zeros and then some numbers.
Huh. I'll have to look back again on that.
So I didn't know. I still haven't asked him. I don't, maybe you guys have his email. I didn't really want to put it on the discussion board. I just wanted to ask him personally.
Yeah, I can text you his email address later.
Thanks.
Right, so now for 16, now let's examine the sodium levels. Construct QQ plots of the sodium level for each of the 3 types of hot dogs, and you should see that the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with the normality assumption. The smallest variance is 7,180.75, and the largest is 10,492.871. Have the assumptions been met to use ANOVA?
Yes.
I would say yes, because the smallest isn't 4 times less than the largest.
I feel like it's not. Okay, let's see. What about number 3?
Oh, that one does say variances are equal.
But then it just says like it's not safe to assume.
Oh, because of the QQ plot. Okay.
Why would you not be able to assume that it's normal?
Well, I didn't ever see the one for poultry. Did you guys do a QQ plot for poultry?
I think I have it. Yeah, I think I did it. Let me see. Pull it up real quick.
I only did the, I don't know.
You didn't do the last one? But this is talking about sodium though.
Okay. So we never did QQ plots for sodium. It was just calories.
Yeah, we just did calories, so that's why now I'm like, I don't remember if I did it. Oh, I didn't do it because.
And I guess if we go by what it says that there's a possible problem.
Yeah, that's what I was getting from, but doing it. Yeah, it looks kind of weird actually. Kind of varies off of it, but I'll do the other few as well.
So it was probably not normally distributed, but the variances are equal.
Yeah.
How do you know that it's not normally distributed? Do you just
If it's not straight on the Q plot and it's kind of like goes off of it, then
Yeah.
that means it's not. Like, but it's saying it's not safe to assume because there's a chance it could be. But like looking at this, it like starts and then it separates for a while and then it starts back up later.
Yeah.
So
I'm just confused as to when because it doesn't look like I don't know what you're looking for to tell whether or not it's normal or not.
I think you want it to be like straight, like as straight as it can be, kind of on that line, but also be constant rather than like breaking off in two different parts.
Okay.
Like that one, like poultry is. I haven't only done poultry, so I'll do the other ones just to check. But
So that one we did towards the beginning, that was still okay, even though it went off just a little bit.
yeah, exactly. But it was like constant. It went all the way to the top, didn't like, separate due to different chunks.
Okay. The value for this test is at 0.179.
Yeah, 0.179.
Yeah.
So we stuck to 3 on 16, right? Sure I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. 9. Oh, hi.
I
Keep pulling faces.
wanted to do this. I've pretended it.
Okay. You guys ready for 18?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, what conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of the 3 types of hot dogs? Use the level of significance 0.05. So we failed to reject, right?
Yeah.
So we do not have enough.
Yeah, number 2.
The second.
Yeah, I think that's the only one.
Yeah, to say that we don't have enough. Yeah.
Wait, is that okay? Wait, it says we do not have sufficient evidence to reject the claim that all 3 hot dogs. Okay, yeah, okay. I'll submit it and I'll let you guys know if we're good.
Okay. Do you think Elena's gonna get here soon? I want to make sure that she gets like the attendance for being here.
What time is it?
We got 100%. We're good.
Perfect.
And then I will email her the answers.
I'm gonna text her.
Email. When you guys have her email?
I think it's evee.green@gmail.com.
Hold on, my wait, EVEE.
.green.
Like, oh, I have it in my contacts. Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Just said that they were there. And then I thought they were there. And then I asked him.
Oh, yeah, actually.
Okay, I sent her the answers.
Thank you. Hmm.
All right, so since I am done, do you guys mind if, or since we're done, do you mind if I go? All right, I'll see you guys Wednesday.
Bye.
Did you hear anything from her?
No, I just feel bad leaving, her not getting credit for being here.
I wonder, does it just mean that you missed one question on the quiz when you say I didn't participate in the group meeting?
I guess. Well, I have to when I put it on that collaboration board,
Oh, yeah.
then I don't know if she doesn't get points for that or what it is or.
Okay. Well, I'm okay to stay on and make her be part of a group.
Yeah, I have about 5 minutes, so I can stay on until then too.
What did you buy?
Her grandma bought us this.
Watermelon.
What time? Then I got this for Cameron's graduation party. It's a new backbone.
Oh, I love
And it's
that.
vanilla. It smells really good.
It smells really good.
And then it was 2 for $10.
Oh,
So we got those. I got some too.
I don't want to get one.
I don't think
I feel like one of them might be leaking.
really.
Little wet
Do you
spot.
feel it? Where?
I don't know. I just felt something wet, but I don't know where. Okay. You can drop it on anything.
I was thinking maybe I would give her the blue one.
I was wanting the pink one.
But you didn't
This
like
one's
pink.
my favorite.
Okay, pink.
This one's my favorite.
Color.
It's so cool.
Courtney, we don't have too much people upstairs.
So you were gonna clean Cameron's room and put this here, but now.
I would love to vacuum her
When's she coming
carpets. She'll be late. She said she's gonna go to Preston's for family night.
Okay.
Devin, do you have time to text me his email or tell me where to
Oh,
find
yeah.
it?
I can tell you what it is.
Okay.
Let me pull it up. Okay, so it is Bennett, BENNETT,
Okay.
RI at BYUidaho.edu.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm nervous about that exam. We're leaving to go out of town on Friday.
Oh, really?
And I'm hoping everything will be okay while but I'll just text you if I can't be near the internet. I'm hoping there's some way that I can. We should already be in Texas when we have our next meetings, but I'm gonna be there next week.
Oh, that's exciting. Well, if we need to work it around, I'm totally open to that. I just need to know ahead of time so that, if I have work or something. So
Yeah. Do
But
you
yeah.
usually work on Mondays,
Yeah,
Wednesdays?
so I work, I tutor So I have a different couple tutoring appointments on Mondays and then Wednesdays. Typically, I tutor from 5:30 to like I can tutor up to 8:30 on Mondays, and then Wednesdays I tutor from 2 to 4. So it's like right before and right after for both days. So
And then are you working? I only know this because you had that one call and people kept coming in at the care
oh,
center too.
yeah. I was just a sub-in manager. So I did my internship there, and they just asked, the manager was out of town, so they asked me to come in and fill in.
So that's not what you regularly do.
No, I'd be way too busy to do that and to do.
You have 2 jobs. That's crazy.
Yeah, no, I just tutor and TA for a professor or 2 professors here on campus. So
How close are you to graduating?
I graduate next semester.
That's awesome.
Yeah, how about you?
Well, I just started the bachelor's nursing program.
Oh, cool.
I've been a nurse for a long time, but I didn't get my bachelor's degree. And by the time I finished nursing with my associates, I had 2 kids. So it was kind of impossible to keep going. But so yeah, this is my first semester in the bachelor's online nursing program.
How is that going?
If I only had the nursing class, it would be fine, but both of the classes together is a little more busy than I want to be.
Yeah, that's true.
But I'm just taking it one at a time.
One at a time. Are you working right now as well?
Mhm.
You say yeah, sorry.
Oh, I think you cut out. What was that?
Oh, are you working right now as well?
Yeah, I did just so I could get into the program, and now I'm kind of, because I thought I would have no chance. But I do 1 night shift a week, and
Oh,
I
cool.
pediatric home health. And
Really?
yeah.
That's cool. At the assisted living facility that I interned at, they had a lot of home health companies come and help, and so.
Yeah, I never felt comfortable when I was in nursing school with that rotation. It was just kind of uncomfortable to go in and very unsterile, like the hospital versus the home. But I fell in love with these kids. They're just so cute, and their families are dealing with really difficult situations, and I really enjoy helping them.
I was going to say, it's probably a little bit better than working with old people with the home health side. You could help with kids.
It's I have one patient that's just pretty much comatose, and it just breaks my heart. She's on a ventilator, and she gets fed through a G tube and a central line. And she
That
just
is
lays
so
there.
sad.
So she has seizures, and she takes lots of meds. And then another little boy that I've been taking care of for about a year now, he is just running around everywhere, and I think pretty soon he won't qualify for nursing care, so that's exciting.
That is exciting. That's good. It's kind of probably sad for you to have to leave him, but happy at the same time.
Yeah, I'm happy. The mom's expecting, so I was hoping that he would be through the most difficult times, because I don't know how she's going to manage. He's like opening the front door and running outside, and
Oh my gosh.
I just every week hope that I don't see in the news that he's been hit by a car.
Yeah, seriously. How old is he?
He's almost 3, but he was in the NICU for 9 months, and so he is kind of delayed with everything. He like still wants to put everything in his mouth, and usually by the time they're about 18 months to 2 years old, they don't do that anymore, and he's 3 and still wants to eat my cell phone and everything.
That's so interesting. That's cute though. He was
Yeah.
to PICU for 9 months. That's crazy.
Yeah. I'm sorry, my daughter's calling. I've got to pick this up real quick.
No, you're okay.
Hey, Cameron. Cameron. Hello. Hello. Hi. He didn't come to the door if he had. Okay. Yeah, I can do that. Okay. Don't be too late tonight. We miss you. Okay. All right. Love you. Bye. Devin, what's your degree in?
Healthcare administrations.
Oh, that's awesome. So you're gonna
Yeah.
boss the nurses around?
Exactly. Yeah. How old's your oldest daughter?
18.
18? You have an 18-year-old? My gosh.
Yeah.
Wait, so
She's state.
she's dating, you said?
Oh, she's going to Utah State.
Oh,
In
like she's dating. Yeah, she probably is dating too, but yeah, Utah State, that's awesome. I can't believe you have an
Yeah.
18-year-old. That's crazy to me. You don't look like you have an 18-year-old.
Oh, well, thank you.
Your emails has 91 in it, and I just assumed it was 1991. So I
Yeah.
think you're younger. So
Oh no. I'll tell you now, that was the year I graduated high school.
I was born in
Where it
92,
comes
so
from.
well, I don't see her texting us back. I don't know what you think we should do. I mean, we waited 20 minutes longer, so I don't know.
Yeah, she thought 4:45. I wonder if she should still be texting even if she can't get her computer up.
Yeah.
I wonder if she could just tell the teacher what happened and he'd give her credit.
Yeah.
He seems like he might be flexible. He just seemed annoyed that there were some people that were chronically not meeting with their group.
Yeah. So maybe we can tell her that or something.
But I think if she never has done that, she should be
Yeah.
able to understand that technology difficulties happen.
Yeah, exactly. Alrighty. Well, I should run,
Well, I'll let-
get ready for work and run there. So it was fun
Okay.
chatting with you.
That was fun. We'll
Have
see
a
you on
safe
Wednesday.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Duh. You're not flying to Texas yet. It's only Monday. That's sad.
3 long days of torture with all of us in the car.
Oh, you're driving. Oh my gosh. Yes, that is going to be fun. I'll see you on Wednesday.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.